Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Mixed reactions have trailed the just concluded Edo State Labour Party gubernatorial primary election that produced former president of the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, Barrister Olumide Akpata. While some supporters describe the process as free and fair, others submit that it was marred with massive vote buying. Our correspondent reports that Barrister Akpata emerged as the candidate of the party after scoring 316 votes ahead of 7 other aspirants.
Delegates of Labour Party in Edo State last weekend went to the polls to select a candidate that will join those of other political parties in bidding for the votes and mandate of the people to steer the wheel of governance in the state come September 21st, 2024. Out of the 8 aspirants who had their hearts in the ring, Barrister Olumide Akpata, the immediate past president of the Nigerian Bar Association trying the political waters for the first time, came top after scoring a whopping 316 votes out of the total of 340 delegates' votes up for grabs in the party's primaries.
Mr. Olumide Akpata, having scored the highest number of votes and certified the provisions of the constitution of the party, is hereby declared the winner.
Though the process was adjudged to be mostly peaceful and well-coordinated, party faithfuls who spoke to our crew were not unanimous in their evaluation of the exercise. While some believed it was free and fair, others made allegations of large-scale vote buying.
Buying votes is against the rule of democracy, and for us, we have evidence, and this is not acceptable.
This will be the first of its kind, where people will have a very free and fair primaries without rancor. We don't expect anybody to go to court or anything.
Meanwhile, in a letter purportedly signed by a factional national chairman of the party, Alhaji Lamid Apapa, circulating on social media indicates that the party had submitted the names of Barrister Anderson Asemota and Barrister Monday Mawa as governorship and deputy candidates of the party, respectively, joining the likes of PDP in fielding more than a single candidate for the coming Edo election.
Inside the Niger Delta,